If you need an umbrella but don't want to carry an umbrella, then you need this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, didn't you just say if you don't want an umbrella, get an umbrella? Well, I did, because this is kind of like a very, very small umbrella here. See a little plastic top here. It's only about 12 inches long, and you might be saying, well, Pete, what if you don't want to carry the umbrella? Well, you don't carry this as much as you wear this umbrella. I'm really interested in checking this out. You can get them in some different colors, but this one was inexpensive and blue, just like me sometimes. So if I open this up, what you can see is we have a silver interior, and then we have no pole and handle, but we do have this little extension point. So if I push this, actually what will happen is there's a little nib right there, and I think you marry those two up and put that in there, and that will just hold that in place. And now what we get here instead of a handle is this elastic band. So you know how this goes. I'm just gonna pull it right over my head like this. There are 4 arms holding it in place, and because I have a giant head, this is actually fairly tight. I would say that, you know, if you're wearing a beanie or skull cap or something like that, it's probably going to be more comfortable, but it's not really uncomfortable, although I have seen pictures of people that have like a pretty distinct like impression in their skin after they have worn this for a long time. But what I love about this, first of all, I don't know, it kind of reminds me, I think, of like those Vietnamese straw hats. But listen, this thing actually is not touching my head. I can put my fingers up there. It's actually pretty wide, like I said, 12 inches maybe, and so, you know, it's probably like 28 inches side to side here, so it's kind of covering my shoulders. And so if it were raining right now, I would say that this might do a pretty good job of keeping me dry. Probably not as good as, like, say, a big golf umbrella or something like that, but it would keep water off my head, especially if I'm sitting like at a football game, kind of in a single position. The rain is coming down just like this. It would keep it off of me without having to have a big umbrella, without getting into other people's personal space right here. And the most important thing is it frees up my hands so that I can do other things like pick my nose and all that good stuff, right? We know that that's important, higher on the priority list. But you can stay dry while taking care of those important tasks by having this umbrella hat that you can wear instead of carrying. I can actually see this being useful for people who are out doing things in the yard and it's raining a little bit. I don't know, I might bust this out the next time it starts raining on the golf course and just see what people say, because now I can stay dry without having to put an umbrella down on the ground before I take my swing. You know what I'm saying? Just swing right through the ball, and it looks pretty good. In fact, this thing looks so good, I just might wear this on a bright sunny day just to keep myself from getting tan lines, and it's a pretty smart look, man. I'm surprised I don't see more people wearing it. I do feel like it's a little flimsy around the top. Not like it's gonna break, but it's just kind of loose, and that's just kind of the nature of it. But hey, I tell you what, I kind of wish it were raining right now, and I think if it's not raining and you really do want to take it off for some strange reason, you just pull it off like that, grab the pin, pull it out from the little post right there, and this thing collapses down. So I'm actually looking forward to the next time I can use this. But if you want an umbrella that you don't have to carry and you can wear, then this is going to be your best friend. I'll put a link to this guy in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than